David Eason, the spouse of teen mom Jenelle Evans, is scheduled to appear in court next month to answer allegations that he molested the celebrity's eldest son, Jace. The U.S. Sun can exclusively report that David, 35, has his first court hearing set. The court summons claims that David left marks on the teen after the alleged attack. The court summons reads, "On or about the date of offense shown and in the county named above, the defendant did unlawfully and voluntarily inflict physical injury on Jace V. Evans, who was a child under the age of 16. The physical injury inflicted caused marks on their right arm and left and right side of the neck, and was inflicted by other than accidental means. Read the description of the offense." On September 28, which Jace claims his stepfather attacked him, is the date of the incident for which David is being accused. The summons was sent out on October 24 and supposedly served on October 25, according to the Columbus County Clerk's office. The 29th of November is David's first court date. Before the 14-year-old ran away from home for the third time on September 28, David is said to have beaten the MTV star's oldest child, Jace, in front of a neighbor's house in North Carolina. Child Protective Services formally took custody of Jace as a result of the said incident, and his grandma Barbara was given custody of him. A judge approved his grandmother's continued caretaker status on Wednesday during a special court hearing that Jenelle, Barbara, and Jace attended. Only in March of this year did Barbara grant her daughter custody of Jace, who had been reared by her since he was a toddler. Amidst the claimed event, David was accused of misdemeanor child abuse earlier this week. North Carolina Child Protective Services is looking into Jenelle and David, as previously exclusively revealed by the U.S. Sun. Between August and September, the adolescent had fled 3 times in less than 2 months. Earlier this week, Jenelle went on the record regarding the claims against her spouse of 6 years. Using her Instagram stories, the mother of 3 shared her perspective. "You would think that police wouldn't conduct a biased investigation," the Teen Mom 2-star angrily exclaimed. "They didn't speak with the parents or request any information from them. This issue appears to be extremely biased, just like all the others. That detective had my utmost faith. I neglected to mention that you should never trust law enforcement. Foolish of me. Nobody around me is someone I trust, going absentee for a little." She quickly went back to social media to go on her tirade. Authorities have also taken Jenelle's other kids into custody so they can be questioned. According to information obtained by the U.S. Sun, a judge mandated that Jenelle bring her children, Kaiser and Ensley, in for interrogation by CPS without her or her spouse David in attendance. They had to be physically brought in to deal with CPS, she was informed, and they had to leave the land, their North Carolina residence. A caseworker chastised the Teen Mom 2-star during that meeting earlier in October for repeatedly making it difficult for CPS to interview her kids. 3 additional minors reside with Jenelle and David on their land, which they call the land. Along with Ensley, age 6, whom he shares with Jenelle, they have David's 16-year-old daughter Marisa with them. They are not alone on the property. Jenelle's 9-year-old son Kaiser lives with her ex-husband Nathan Griffith.